Hello everyone, this is Nakul Sagar. This is my wife Mannat, and we are all the way here to Lord's 83 from Bangalore. So, firstly, we just love the place over here, and we have had beautiful memories and beautiful time with my small family, with my son and my wife. So, all the way coming from Bangalore, many people have this in their head. Okay, Wayanad is having heavy rainfall, and it's not safe to travel. It might be risky, and I just want to clear those thoughts that I took the route from Bangalore to Mysore, and then we traveled through Bandipur. After Bandipur, we came to Sultan Batri, and from there, Lord's 83 is around 10 kilometers. The roads are fantastic. I had a beautiful experience to drive all the way to Lord's 83, and
And we have a small baby too, so we also were in two minds because of the rains and floods. But there are no rains, no floods at this part of the town where Lord's 83 is, and it's very feasible and easy to come with your family, kids, and safe. Main, it is very safe. Roads also are very safe. There are no trees that are falling, so there's nothing. It is just beautiful rain that we got to see. And this is the third time we checked in,
yes,
to be very honest. And we had a very good time. Baby's food was made with a lot of love, and we were taken care, especially the entire team, Mr. Nikhil sir and his entire team. There's nobody that we can point has not done a good job. Our spa, the two in the spa are they are like life saviors when you travel so far and come and you want some good massage. They know what are your points, where you're lacking off, where you need to have where they'll specialize a certain oil for you, and they will make sure that they are giving importance to certain areas where you're in pain or probably you just want to rejuvenate. So that's how good on a whole this place was for us. And
and if you're talking about food, so outstanding taste. The chef will make whatever you ask for. Even though some things are not there in the menu, they went out of their way to give us what we need. And apart from that, if you're talking about the location, it's at the most beautiful spot. The view is amazing, and the Wi-Fi is everywhere. So I have worked from here. So I usually work remotely. So I have worked from almost a week from Lords 83, and it has been one of the best experience. And to play with my son, there's a small football turf as well where we had good time. We really did enjoy
so there are a
playing.
lot of games.
Yeah,
There
there are a
on
lot
the
of indoor
rope,
games and
you
outdoor games
cycle on
also.
the rope, and you have something that you walk on a bridge, where even kids can enjoy. They have a lovely space for cricket, football. So probably you don't want to go out someday. You can, or you have a big group. You can have your entire group enjoying playing a sport over here. They have nice indoor games, all neatly equipped. Overall, very nice. We will be coming and going, and we have planned to make this like our second home, is all I would like to say, because the comfort for our child and especially comfort of our stay was excellent. It was
Yes.
very nice. We're
Thank you
overall
so
very
much, Lords.
happy.
We will come back to you
Yeah, thank you
very
so much,
regularly.
and we are privileged to be the customer of Lord's 83. All the best.
All the best. Thank you.